So welcome to your math lessons. We're going to begin with some fact practice today. We're going to be doing +1 addition and also some doubles addition. So number line, linking cubes, counters could be helpful to you with this. You can follow along with me. So I'm going to open up to the page we're working on today. It is right here, page 117. At the top it says Class Fact Practice 38A. Okay, so I've got Spotty Cat here helping me. We're going to start at the top. Okay, so 2 plus 1 is that first problem. So if I start at 2 and jump over one number, I land on 3. So I'm going to write my 3 right here. Okay. And then this one says 7 plus 1. So I'm going to come up here to my number line, find the 7, and just jump one number over. And I stop at the number 8. So I'll write my 8 right here. Then I have 9 plus 1. So I'm going to start at the number 9. That's the number at the top. Jump over one number, and I land on the number 10. 1 and a 0 make the 10. And I can make it a friendly 10 if I want to. Okay, 4 plus 1. So you start at the 4 and you jump over one number and you land on the 5. So right here, I'm going to put a neck, a belly, and put that hat on top to make my 5. Okay, then over here, 1 plus 1. If I start at the 1 and jump over one number, I land on the 2. So I'll write my 2 right here. Okay, the next row down, I'm going to move my number line so I can see what I'm doing. Now it's saying 1 plus 6. Okay, so if I start at the 1, I'm going to jump over 6 places. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And that puts me right at the 7. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and write the 7 down here. Okay, so 1 plus 3. So start at the number 1 and then jump over 3 numbers. 1, 2, 3. And you'll land on the number 4. Okay, so 1 plus 3 is 4. Okay, you're going to start at the 1, and then it says 1 plus 8 for your next problem. So you have to jump over 8 spaces. So count 8 times as you jump. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And you land on the number 9. So write your 9 right here. Then this one is 1 plus 0. So when you have a plus 0, that means you can't move. So you're not jumping anywhere. So that leaves you on the 1. So 1 plus 0 is still 1. Okay, last one right here. 1 plus 5. So start on the 1 and jump 5 spaces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And you land on the number 6. So go ahead and write your number 6 right here. Okay, I'm going to move my number line down. Okay. Let's look at this next one. 2 plus 2. So start on the 2 and jump over 2 spaces. 1, 2. And I land on the 4. So I'm going to write my 4. For this one, it says 8 plus 8. So I'm going to start on the 8. And then I have to jump 8 spaces. So this is our doubles problems. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And that puts me at number 16. 16 is the 1 and the 6 together. Okay, the next one is 0 plus 0, which is always going to equal 0. Okay, because if you're on 0 and you add 0, you're still going to be on 0. Okay, and you can make that a friendly 0 if you want to. Okay, all right. The next one is 4 plus 4. So I'm going to start at the number 4, and I'm going to jump 4 spaces. 1, 2, 3, 4. And that puts me on the number 8. Write my 8 here. Okay. The next one is 7 plus 7. So I'm going to start at the number 7, okay, and I'm going to jump over 7 spaces. I'm going to count as I jump each number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 7 plus 7 equals 14. So I'm going to write a 1 and a 4 right here. Okay, moving down to the bottom row, I need to open my number line. Okay, and we're starting off, I'll move that over a little bit, I'll let Spotty Cat help hold that. So I'm starting off at the number 9, 9 plus 9, and I'm counting over 9 spaces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And that adds up to the number 18. So I'm going to write an 18 right here. That's my 1 and my 8. Okay. And I'm going to move my number line back. 3 plus 3. So I start at the number 3. I'm going to move over 3 spaces. 1, so start here. 1, 2, 3. So that is 6. 3 plus 3 is 6. Okay, the next problem, 6 plus 6. Okay. So I'm going to start at the number 6, put my eraser there at the 6, then I'm going to jump over 6 spaces. Count while I jump. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And I land on the number 12. So I'm going to write the 12 right here. Okay, 5 plus 5. So I'm going to start at the number 5. Okay, then I'm going to count as I jump. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 plus 5 is 10. Friendly 10 right there. Last one, 1 plus 1. 1 plus 1 is 2. Okay, all right, so thank you for joining me for this fact practice today. I'm going to give myself an exit ticket. Check your work, check your answers, okay? And then I'm going to go ahead and put this away. And put this away, and then I'll be ready for my next lesson.